So guys, me, Lucas 170 Dude. Welcome to another Beyblade X unboxing. Here we got a UX Bay from Hasbro. You get one Wizard 160 Rush. On the back of the box, the layer, one Wizard or Wizard Rod in Kartomi is good, very good for stamina, and it's pretty meta right now. 160 is pretty good. That comes in Drawn Buster. And when you go into pocket, that thing can actually rotate and it'll spin out. This bay also comes with a rush bit, very good attack bit, and it has, I believe, 10 gears instead of the regular. So that means it will ride the extreme line better. It's based on this green colorway. My friend's brother got this from Amazon. He ordered an extra one accidentally, and then I paid him for it. So shout out to him. I've been looking for a Wizard Rod, and it's actually pretty cool that you can get all these parts for like $9.99 from like your Target or Walmart, and it's pretty sick. Layer. UX base, instead of having the prongs metal, it is now plastic, so now all the weight is on the outside and it will have better centrifugal force, especially for this base and it's a stamina type, and especially since it's so round, it will stay longer and deflect hits. Here's the rush bit. There's a flat. Pretty cool. And then the 160. Here's a 160 in this green colorway. And then as this is a starter, comes with a little, the trash looking little launcher and some instructions, which I don't really need. Let's put the parts together. Or if you also want the code for the app, full combo looks like. I'll probably just be using these just for parts. This layer is really good. This ratchet's pretty good. And the bit is pretty good. For $10 you're getting a lot of good parts. I'd say you should buy it if you can find it in stores, or just buy it off of Amazon. Alright, now moving on to test battles. Alright, so we're gonna test battle with the stock combo. See how he does.
As extreme finish, that's 3 points.
So I put on the ball tip, and it'll be better for stamina.
Absolutely bullied.
gotta keep that in the video, though,
Gotta
dude.
keep
That
that,
was
bro.
epic, dude.
I think you got this on the bag.
Maybe.
It's a good one.
2.6.
What is it, a point? That's pretty good. I love it.
This is a lesson.
Maybe see someone with. I gotta show a highlight.
Oh!